This is me officially giving up at putting real mums on my porch every fall. I found this 2-pack of baskets at Walmart. I decided to spray paint the handles gold and the rest of the basket like a charcoal gray. I kind of came up with that whole Ziploc bag thing at the last minute, and it worked really well. Once I got them both painted and dried, then I put some burlap inside of them. I tried to use E6000 to glue this stuff in there, but it was taking forever, so I just did some hot glue, and then I went back later and added some E6000 in certain spots. Then I added the foam. Any of the smaller pieces I just threw underneath the big pieces. And I got 4 bunches of these fake mums that I found at Walmart too. They're actually pretty cute. Once I had them all organized the way I wanted, I added some of this moss. The moss really helps support the flowers too. After they were all stuffed, I grabbed my Flex Seal. It helped me weatherproof the flowers. And here's the final product.